In color charcoal pearl, we have a 2015 Harley-Davidson XL1200X Sportster 48. Fenders are black, the tank charcoal pearl. Really nice looking bike. That little trip button there will display 1,484 miles as of this moment. Something surprised me a second ago. Check this out. It's a loud Sportster. 2015, well under 2,000 miles. Exhaust system that looks factory, does not sound factory. 1200cc engine. V-twin, of course. 5-speed transmission. And available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.